Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can import invoices with multiple items in QuickBooks Online. So the first thing that you will have to do is upload your spreadsheet. You will go to your settings and then you will select import data and then you will select invoices. And by the way, this is optional, but you could also tick the boxes to add new customers or products and services that don't already exist in QuickBooks. So for the fourth one, you will select browse and then find and select the spreadsheet of your invoices. Next, you will just have to select next and then map the column headers with QuickBooks Online's invoice fields. Fields with an asterisk are required and select non-applicable for any fields that are not in your spreadsheet. And by the way, take note that QuickBooks populates with a generic item called sales for missing products and services. Then you will select the date format you use, like for example day, month, and the year, and then you will select exclusive or inclusive as your GST option. And in order to see this option, you will have to set up tax codes in QuickBooks. Then select next and match your tax codes to those set up in QuickBooks. Select next again, and after you've mapped the fields, review the summary of your import, and if everything looks good, you will just have to select start import. And once you're done, you will just have to select OK if all your invoices have been imported successfully. And if some invoices fail to import, then note why and then select done. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.